Today we're showing you a 1998 John Deere 5510 four-wheel drive tractor. Tractor has just over 2,200 hours on it. It's a very nice, very clean machine. It does come with the 540 quick attach front end loader, and again just over 2,200 hours. The engine is pre-emission, has none of the Tier 4 exhaust filters whatsoever, so completely pre-emission tractor here. This was a two-owner machine. It's been well cared for, it's been well kept. Very nice machine, as you can see. It does have the John Deere style hookup for your quick connect there on the bucket. Has a front weight carrier and front grill guard. A couple very, very minor scuffs here in the front of the hood, but overall very nice machine yet. Front tires show a little wear, but they certainly have quite a bit of life left. Similar to the back, they probably have 70% or so tread life left on the back tires here. Got some normal paint coming off the fenders, as you would expect from an older tractor like this, but again, overall, nice clean machine. Top link is with the tractor, drawbar is with the tractor. Does have the extendable 3-point arms, 540 PTO, has triple rear remotes. Now, two of these remotes are used for the loader. The top two, as you can see, are plugged in for the loader, and then the third remote there is free for an implement out the back here. It does have the 12-speed power reverser transmission. Reverser can be shifted with or without clutch. Very hard to find that transmission in these older tractors. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.